Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is AI inspection gets smarter on the factory floor. A new generation of AI-driven inspection systems is pushing electronics manufacturing closer to zero-defect production, with faster setup times, higher accuracy, and deeper compatibility with smart factory standards. Electronics manufacturers are getting a sharper set of eyes on the production line as a new suite of AI-powered test and inspection systems. The latest platforms by Test Research Incorporated, TRI, focus on one persistent pain point in high-volume PCB printed circuit board assembly, balancing inspection accuracy with throughput as boards become denser, more complex, and increasingly reliant on advanced packaging such as BGA's ball grid arrays, multilayer stacks, and system-in-package designs. The newly introduced systems apply AI-driven inspection algorithms and precision metrology to reduce false calls while maintaining speed across solder paste inspection, optical inspection, X-ray inspection, and inline board testing. The key features are AI-driven inspection accuracy exceeding 99% for common components. Smart programming tools reducing setup time by up to 85%. High-resolution 3D X-ray imaging with close proximity tube design. Support for advanced packages including BGA's ball grid arrays, multilayer boards, and SIP system in package. Native compatibility with smart factory standards such as Hermes, CFX Connected Factory Exchange, and DPMX Digital Product Model Exchange. At the core of the update is a redesigned 3D X-ray inspection platform that allows the imaging tube to move exceptionally close to the board, delivering higher resolution views of hidden joints without mechanical obstruction. This approach is aimed squarely at critical components that conventional X-ray systems struggle to image clearly, particularly on advanced substrates and compact assemblies. Alongside X-ray inspection, the lineup also includes enhanced 3D solder paste and optical inspection systems, as well as a high-speed inline X-ray platform and a modular multi-core board tester designed for high-mix, high-volume environments. Together, the systems are positioned as a unified inspection stack rather than isolated machines, sharing data through a common AI-driven software ecosystem. That software layer plays a central role. AI-based programming tools can cut inspection setup time by as much as 85%, while inspection accuracy for common components is claimed to exceed 99%, significantly reducing manual review and rework. The platforms are also built to align with modern smart factory frameworks, supporting standards such as Hermes, CFX Connected Factory Exchange, and DPMX Digital Product Model Exchange to enable real-time data exchange across production lines. As electronics manufacturing pushes toward higher automation and traceability, these systems highlight how AI is shifting inspection from a bottleneck into a data-rich control point on the factory floor. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.